fam, we had one of our family members to reach out to me. Her name is Tarnesia Allen, and this is what she wrote me. Your centerpieces are beautiful. Thank you, girl. My daughter is getting married October of 2020. Her colors are red and black. Do you have any DIY centerpieces ideas that will be helpful? I sure do, Miss Allen. First, I would like to say thank you for reaching out to me, and also congratulations to your daughter and your son-in-law to be. I wish them all the joy and happiness in the future. Now, I made this 4-tier elegant cake box a couple of years ago for a wedding to put cupcakes on each layer. In this tutorial, I made 2 different centers. Okay, it's time for me to glue my flowers onto my foam craft ball. Now I'm going to take my glass vase and I'm going to glue my tissue paper around it. For the small glass vases, you can either use the small black rocks or the large black rocks, whichever you prefer. I'm going to use the small black rocks for this tutorial. Okay, I have completed centerpiece number 1. Here's centerpiece number 2. It's so simple. I'm going to take the 4 round glass vases and just glue them on top of each other. Now I'm using my glue gun, but when you're doing a project like this, you would have to use E6000 or Gorilla Glue to keep it in place. I'm going to use these materials for another project, so I'm using my glue gun at this time. When I put this centerpiece together, I used my mirror. I also used 4 tea light holders that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I already had it, so I wanted to show you a different look, so I added those to this particular centerpiece. And I also added the little acrylic beads to each side of the centerpiece. I glued the extra beads on top of the beads that I already had. I am finished. Miss Allen, I hope you love this centerpiece.